Hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths in Minutes with Priya. Today again we are going to learn few multiplication tricks. This is clip number 65. Today our topic is about the numbers which are less than some common 100. We will see how that goes. But I hope you first watch clip number 63 and 64 in which I have covered some more multiplication tricks. In clip 63 we covered multiplication by 11 and 12, how easy it is. And in clip 64 we studied the product of numbers which are more than common 100. Today is the turn of the numbers which are less than a common 100. So I would request you, or I would suggest you, that you first watch clip number 64 before you watch today's clip. Today is 65. If you watch clip number 64 before you watch clip 65, it will help you to understand this trick better and fast. So let's begin with today's trick. First example, 89 multiplied by 94. What do you observe here? They both are slightly less than 100, common base 100. Both are less than 100. Here 91 multiplied by 98. Again both are less than common base 100. If we take this example, 194 into 182. Both are less than common base 200. So both numbers should be less than a particular 100. That's the requirement of today's trick. Say 181 into 192. Again both less than 200. Or if we take this example, 695 into 691. Both less than 700. So this type of multiplication tricks we are going to learn today. So let's see how it goes. So this sum is given to us. 89 multiplied by 94. Now what is 89? 89 is 100 minus 11. 94 is 100 minus 6. So I have written these two numbers in the form of 100, taking base common as 100. Now what I am going to do? I am going to take product of these two numbers. Minus 11 multiplied by minus 6 is 66. Both minus, so product is plus. Now when I add these two numbers, when I add minus 11 to minus 6, the answer is minus 17. Now what I'll do, since base is 100, I'll do this subtraction, 100 minus 79, and I get 83. I'll write 83 here and that becomes my answer. In few seconds you get this answer. We are going to solve few more examples so that this procedure becomes very clear to you. Next example, say 91 multiplied by 98. Now what is 91? It is 100 minus 9. 98 is 100 minus 2. So I have written it using base 100. Now take their product. Minus 9 and minus 2, product is 18. Take their sum. Minus 9 and minus 2, it is 11. Sorry, minus 11. So what I am going to do now? 100 minus 11, that is 89. Just write 89 here. That's your answer. Let's see few more. 97 multiplied by 98. 97 is 100 minus 3. 98 is 100 minus 2. Take their product. Product is 6. But we want 2 digits here. Take that care. See, in these both examples we had 2 digits, so there is no problem. But if you get product as a single digit, write it in the form of 2 digits. So 3 2s are 6. Write it as 06. Now minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So base is 100. 100 minus 5 is 95. Write 95 here and that becomes your answer. Using similar trick we can find out squares also. So suppose we want to find out square of 87. What is 87 square? It is 87 multiplied by 87. So both numbers less than common base 100. So I have written 87 in the form of 100 minus 13, 100 minus 13. What is the first step? First step is take their product. 13 multiplied by 13 is 169. Product will be plus since both numbers are negative. What is the next step? Minus 13 is minus 26. 100 minus 26 is 74. But only the thing which you need to take care is, if you see here, now the product is 3 digit. When it's 3 digit, just ignore these 2 digits and take this digit on left hand side. So 1 is taken here. 74 plus 1 is 75. 69 as it is. So your answer is 7569. Very clear what we did? When it's 2 digit product, no problem. You can just copy as it is. When it's single digit, write it in the form of 2 digits. So 3 2s are 6. We wrote it as 06. When product is 3 digit, take this leftmost digit to left side, and that's how you get the answer. We are going to see many examples, so don't worry if right now this procedure is not clear to you, because sometimes it takes little time to understand. What you can do is keep your pen and paper ready. You can pause the video in between, understand, again rewind, again understand, and then solve. If you are able to solve, it will help you a lot in saving your time. Let's see a few more examples. 92 multiplied by 98. 92 is 100 minus 8. 98 is 100 minus 2. Minus 8 minus 2 product is 16. Minus 8 minus 2, when we take the sum, it is minus 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. So your answer is 9016. Only in few seconds you get this answer. Let's see few more examples. Now let's see this example. 194 multiplied by 182. What do you observe here? Both numbers are less than common base 200. So I'm going to take base as 200. How I can write these numbers? First number is 200 minus 6. Second number is 200 minus 18. Now I'll take the product. Minus 18 into minus 6 is 108. It's a 3 digit number. Minus 6 minus 18 is minus 24. So next step is 200 minus 24. Since base is 200, 200 minus 24, that is 176. So up to this step, everything is same as what we did in base 100. But now we cannot copy this number here as it is. Since base is 200, I have to multiply 176 by 2. It comes out to 352. Now I'll write here 352. Since this is 3 digit number, I have to take leftmost digit here. So this becomes 353 and 08 as it is. So that is my answer. 35,308. You understand this procedure, what we did with base 200? Let's see a few more examples. Suppose we need this square of 191. That is 191 into 191, both numbers less than common base 200. So again I can take common base 200, right? Now I'm going to write this number using 200 as base. This is minus 9 minus 9. 200 minus 9 is 191. What is the next step? Take the product. Minus 9 minus 9 product is 81. Now take the sum. Minus 9 minus 9 is minus 18. 200 minus 18 is 182. But can I copy 182 here directly? Base is 200, so I have to multiply 182 by 2. That is 364. And now this becomes your answer. 36,481. This is your answer. Since it's a 2-digit number only, we can directly copy it. See how easy it is to make squares and to take products using a common base. Did you like this trick? Let's see few more examples so that this procedure becomes very clear. 181 multiplied by 192, common base 200. 181 is 200 minus 19. 192 is 200 minus 8. Take product of these two numbers. 19 8s are 152. Now minus 9 minus 8 is minus 27. 200 minus 27 is 173. Up to this step very easy. What is next step? Since base is 200, I will multiply 173 by 2. 173 into 2 is 346. So I will copy here 346. Since this is 3 digit, I have to take 1 here. So this becomes 3, 4, 7 and 5, 2 is as it is. So that's your answer. Now let's solve these sums with higher bases. 295 multiplied by 288, so common base is 300. What is 295? 300 minus 5. 288 is 300 minus 12. Product of these two numbers is 60. Now add them. Minus 12 minus 5 is minus 17. So base is 300. 300 minus 17 is 283. Now since base is 300, I have to multiply this by 3. 283 into 3 is 849. And that becomes your answer. Now as base increases, this product also goes on increasing. Let's see. Now if we take base 700, 695 into 691, so base is 700. 695 is 700 minus 5. 691 is 700 minus 9. 9 5s are 45. Minus 5 minus 9 is minus 14. So 700 minus 14 is 686. Since base is 700, you have to multiply 686 by 7. Their product is 4802. So that becomes your answer. Now you may say that, ma'am, this is not shortcut, because we need to take these big products also. So I totally agree that this shortcut may not suit some children. They may think that our school method was better. Then it's totally up to you. I don't mind even if you use your school method. If you want to use these tricks, whatever you use, the main thing is you should be able to save time and get accurate answer. If you find this trick lengthier than whatever methods you know, just ignore these tricks. These tricks are just to help you. No examiner is going to see your rough work, that what trick you have used, whether you have used your school method. No one is going to see that. But the thing is, you should get accurate answer in less time. So if you like your earlier school methods better than this, please use those methods only. But it's my duty, or you can say as a teacher, I must give you many options. Like this is also one option to solve this type of problems, and that's why I'm discussing all these tricks with you. If you don't like them, no problem, you can go with your school methods also. Personally, if you ask me, I'm not much in favor of shortcut tricks. I like my school methods only, but then again, as I said, it's up to every individual. So let's solve few more examples. 479 multiplied by 498. What is common base here? Now common base is 500. 479 is 500 minus 21. 492 is 500 minus 8. 21 8s are 168. Minus 21 minus 8 is minus 29. So I'm going to subtract it from 500. 500 minus 29 is 471. Since base is 500, we have to multiply this by 5. You get the answer 2355. But this is a 3-digit number, so take 1 to this side. This becomes 235668, and that's your answer. 479 multiplied by 492 is 2,35,668. Now if you use your school methods, it may take little longer. This certainly saves time. But then if you make mistakes in remembering these tricks, then there is no use. In that case, it's better you use your school method only if you are more comfortable in that. Let's take one more example. Square of 394, that is 394 into 394. So I am taking common base 400. 400 minus 6, 400 minus 6. 6 6 are 36. Minus 6 is minus 12. 400 minus 12 is 388. What is the next step? Since base is 400, multiply 388 by 4. You get 1552. Copy it here and that becomes your answer. Next example. 897 multiplied by 898. We can take common base as 900. This is 900 minus 3. 900 minus 2. 3 2s are 6, single digit, hence we are going to write it in double digit form, that is 06. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. 900 minus 5 is 895. Now since base is 900, let's multiply 895 by 9. You get 8055. So write 8055 here and that becomes your answer. 805506. In few seconds you will get it, and the product is also by single digit, so it's not much time consuming. I hope you like this trick. So if you watch clips 63, 64 and 65, in these three clips we have discussed few multiplication tricks and also few tricks that can be used for taking squares of big numbers. You practice them, I'm sure they will save your time. But again, as I advised, if you don't like them, please use your old methods, your school methods. Anything is fine. Try to solve it in less time and with accuracy. From next clip, I'm going to start with simple interest, compound interest. So stay tuned with my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed Maths in Minutes with Priya, please do so. It's absolutely free. So see you in the next clip with simple interest, compound interest. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye for today.